Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is about how to make this tiny mini scrapbook which is made using one 12 by 12 inches sheet. Yes, it's true, it is made using only one single sheet. So I have decorated the outer part with some paper flowers and from inner side it will look like this. This scrapbook is approx 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches. So I have added some tags and some folios to add extra photos. So that is I am going to show you today. So let's start with procedure. For this we need one double-sided tape. This is 5 mm tape. One piece of corrugated sheet. Here I am using red and pink shaded corrugated sheet. One ruler, pencil, scissor, liquid glue, white color cardstock, one mount board or cardboard, aqua blue color craft paper and any designer cardstock or pattern paper cardstock which measures 12 by 12 inches. So first I am taking this designer cardstock which measures 12 by 12 inches. And this is double-sided pattern paper, but it is not necessary to use double-sided, you can use single-sided pattern paper as well. Now I am marking here on 3 inches, 6 inches and on 9 inches. Similarly I will repeat this marking on bottom part. Now join all the points with each other to divide this paper in 3, 6 and 9 inch. Like this. Similarly I have done with other side, that is divided in 3, 6 and 9 inches. So we have total 16 same size of squares. Now I am cutting this line from the bottom part. So use your scissor and cut only till this 3 inches point, like till this. Now rotate your paper and repeat the same process. Cut the line till 3 inches. Again rotate your paper and cut this line till 3 inches. Like this. Now I will fold these flaps one by one. Before that I am creasing all the lines using the pen which is not working. Rotate the page and similarly I will crease these 3 lines which we didn't cut. Now erase all pencil work. Now I am folding the flaps in zigzag manner, like this. So the basic scrapbook is done. Now I will connect those flaps to create the pockets. So I will show you how to do this. I have attached some double-sided tape to create the pocket. So if we want pocket from top, we need to add double-sided tape on the standing and slipping line. So I have added double-sided tape here. And on next page I am creating the pocket on right side. So we need to connect the pocket from top and the side. Like this. So repeat this process till the end to create pockets from top and from the side. So now I am peeling the liner of tapes and connecting the flaps to create the pockets. Now we have top pocket ready. Similarly, I will remove all the liners and create the pockets. So now we have side pocket. Similarly, I will remove all the liners and create the pockets. So continue this process now. After adding all the pockets, our basic scrapbook is done. Like this. Now I am taking this mount board piece which measures 3 and 1/4 inches by 3 and 3/8 inches. And now I am taking one turquoise color paper which is little bit larger than this mount board. And I am wrapping this paper around this mount board. In the same way, I have created one more mount board of the same size. Now I am connecting the scrapbook with mount board pieces. So add glue on first flap, connect your first mount board piece. Similarly, add glue on last flap and connect the other mount board piece. Like this. Now to cover the back portion, I am taking this piece of corrugated sheet which measures 3 and 3/8 inches by 1 and 1/4 inches. So now add glue on the sides of corrugated sheet. Don't add glue in middle. And connect this corrugated sheet with scrapbook like this. So it's completed now and it's dry also. So our basic scrapbook is ready to decorate this. Now I will decorate this and will add some flaps as well. So I have added some pattern paper, one paper flower on top of this. If you want to learn this paper flower, I have given link in description box. Also I have added some quilling, some sentiment and some half cut pearls. Now I will open the ribbon. I have created this small envelope and added these flowers and it's written "Be happy" there. Now I will again fold these flowers and tuck inside this punched butterfly like this, and I have added the flap inside this. I have distressed the edges using pink color and added one ribbon and also punched the corners using corner punch. Now in the next page I have created this pop-up hearts, added the same flap. In the next page I have created some more flaps to add photos and one tag. Now I have created this flap to add some special photo or special message. Then I have also added one flap on right side. Then this is the simple flap and added one flap on top. Then on next page I have created zigzag fold to add photos and added this flap in right side. Now on next page I have created this secret message card. So we'll open this like this, and when we'll open inside we'll get a secret message. Isn't it cute? I have created the band to attach this and added one more flap on top side. And this is the last page, and I have added one more pattern paper on back side of the scrapbook. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.